Well, it's 4:30. We're up, we're moving. I gotta pack the car. Where are we at? Yeah.
McDonald's.
But what town?
Not in the Pentagon.
We're not in the Pentagon, but we are in a McDonald's.
Miami, Florida.
We're about
9 hours.
West Willow Oak Springs.
yeah.
Don't listen to them. We're in Miami.
West Willow, Oak Springs,
No,
and
we're
Arkansas.
in the town of Florida, guys.
I have no idea.
We're close. They'll never know.
9 hours.
And then
left.
we have about 12 hours left
9 hours.
until we get to Orlando. So we got quite a bit of a drive still,
What?
but
We've been on the road 3 hours.
it's gonna be a little while. It's gonna be a little while. Kids are doing fine. I already had a puke incident, but we're all good to go. So, yeah. Hey, what's up? So we're about 8 hours away-ish. We had to stop at a local Chevron. We made it to Alabama. We're about 90 miles from Birmingham on I-22. So we're just gonna keep pushing, see how far we get tonight. And then probably stop around Gainesville. And that puts us about 3 hours outside of Orlando. But we're pushing, we keep pushing. Gotta fill up that gas. Paying $2.94. I was paying $2.79 back home, so a little bit of a bump. But I'll see you when I get there. Good morning. So finally in Florida. Last night we stayed at a gas station on the other side of this exit. We're about 2.5 hours from Orlando, give or take. I'm at a gas station right now just pumping to get gas, and we'll be on the road in just a few minutes. About 2.5 hours we'll get there. I took some footage on the way in of like the welcome to Florida sign, but who knows if it came out because it was dark. So we'll see how it goes. Hey, what's up? So we're on the Florida Turnpike. We're stopping to get some food and bathroom and all that stuff. We're almost there, about an hour, a little over an hour. We're stopped at the KFC. We're at the Oklahoma Turnpike. We just hopped on, so I think it's like the first one headed southbound. So here's Tegan wants to say hey.
Hi. Roar.
Hi.
So yeah, that's where we are. I'll update once we get there.
We have something to say. I have a tiny chicken, and he fits on my shoe. He's a crock charm. His name is Chick-fil-A or McCockles. You can choose. Chick-fil-A or McCockles. We're gonna eat him first. No!
He's gonna let me record.
Hey, what up? So we made it, finally. We're at Typhoon Lagoon. Up there at Disney World. Super excited. We're just in the parking lot. There's Logan.
Oh yeah.
He's ready. So we're ready to get in here and have some fun. We're in.
Said don't put you back.
Okay. Now this is my Now it's all. What's up, boy?
Met up with the fam. What's up, dude?
I just want to say,
Go find the locker. Yep, we're gonna go find the locker.
See right there, it says run all the time. It's a chopper.
See, now it's not too bad. They know where the wave pool is.
It has a wave every 3 minutes.
So I have to get that.
Almost like you get every 30 of it. No. 3. Of course, Blake thinks we need to go.
reach back and Logan's got you.
Okay, so we are slightly dying.
Blake, have fun, buddy. I sat in the wrong spot. I sat in the wrong spot. We're good. It's all gonna drain out when we go to the conveyor belt. For your safety, don't die.
Like if you do that, it's on you, bro. Like
Yeah.
sandals and socks. Hey, hey, sandals and socks.
I don't see how you can sue someone at that point.
Yeah. It's your fault.
Oh.
Attention, rafters! This is your captain speaking. It appears we've got a patch of shallow water. Please remain seated.
We ran aground.
They ran aground. Ran aground, Logan.
Ah, shoot.
Wait! Wait! Oh, fair enough.
It's gonna be, it's great because like you just know you're about to go.
So, due to the rain and the weather in the area, we're gonna move out of Typhoon Lagoon, as Logan called it, and we're gonna head over to the resort and take a look at that. I know they have a pool and stuff. We might jump in that, and we'll see what we're going to do about dinner. So, I'll report in later.